Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $2337.92. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining above this level, we will see a further upside. And I've already explained you that as soon as the price started hitting above a level of $20, chances are very high it will go further high. And you can see that it has already moved and made a high of the next high we can see came at a level of $23,500. This is the high we have seen, all-time high. Now the price has come a little down, around $17 or $18 down, now trading at a level of $23.38, and chances will be very high that if the price keeps sustaining above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Look at this particular pattern. Okay, there is a strong support at a level of 23.29. This is the level. We can see a bounce back can come from this level. Okay, and if the price started going above that particular level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, if you look at this particular pattern, what you have seen that in the pandemic time, we have seen there is a sharp fall has come. After that, when started recovering, when it started recovering, we have seen that it was continuously moving upside. Okay, while moving upside, it was creating a pattern which I have already explained you, that it was creating U patterns. Okay, and this U pattern is being created whenever it is making a new high, a fall is coming. Okay, a U pattern is formed, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, this is the high what we have seen, and after that there is a continuous upside, a U pattern, and then a probability of going further high. Now what we have seen, you have to remember this point, because whenever it is making a new high, a fall is coming. If you look at all these high, a fall is coming. Okay, and these high are being formed by a U pattern, so probability is very high that whenever it started moving down, or day wise chart you see, we can see there will be a profit booking can come for, but for this particular year, or you can say around 4-5 months more, we have seen the elections are coming. Okay, so you have to see that there is a probability that we can see that with good volatility we can see the dollar can be more strengthened. Okay, so you have to understand and figure out that possible way. Okay, but you have to put your SL, because see, movement will be high. Okay, volatility will be high, so SL will save your capital. Okay, and once you start in profit, see, as the volatility will be high, if you are in profit, try to trail your profit, then you will not be incurring any loss by saving your profit. Okay, suppose if you are in 100% profit and trail the SL to 80%, then your 80% is safe. This is what you should be doing. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, but before that I'll explain you how the dollar index is moving and what the dollar index we have seen, it is trying to go higher. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, there is a probability that we can see there will be a probability of going further upside. Okay, we have seen from 2 days there is a continuous fall where we have seen the rise in the price of gold. Now it is trying to go down, the gold prices. Okay, because we have seen there is a rise in the dollar index. Okay, but previously from previous 2 weeks, we have seen that the price of dollar index was also moving upside and the gold was also moving upside. See, so I have already explained you, market is always uncertain because they are mostly inversely related, but factors are responsible. So you have to understand here by putting your SL, because see, if it going as per what we have seen in the last 2 weeks, that both are going on the same direction, so that happens rare. But you have to understand looking at this chart that by putting SL you can save this capital, and mostly our trades are based on price action. Okay, so now it is trying to go upside. That is where we have seen the price of gold is moving down. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go further upside towards a level of $104.6, and when started sustaining above a level of 104.9, that is where we can see there will be an upside and it will go above a level of $105, and from there a further high we can see towards a level of 105.6. okay, if the price started going above that particular zone, a further high we can see. Okay, remember that once the price started going up at that particular level, we will see there will be a probability of going further upside. Now look at this particular trend. Market is uncertain. Okay, and when the price started going below a level of 104.2, we can see there will be a probability that it can go further down, and when started going below a level of 103.5, then we will see there will be a probability that it can move further low towards a level of 103, and then from there a further down. Okay, because there is a U pattern forming and chances of moving further down we can see, and as soon as the price started hitting below a level of 103, we can see the price of gold can rise. Now, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so now suppose if the price sustains this level, it can come again towards a level of $23, $29, and bounce back will come, which has already moved up. So if the price started moving above this level, which is trading at $23, $33, we will see it will sustain towards and go towards again a level of $23, $52, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of $23.65. And after that, what you can do, that trail by $10. Okay, so that if the price started going above $23.75, trail this to this level, your profit, and then wait again. If it started going upside, trail to this level by trailing towards $10 upside. Okay, then a probability of going towards 24 also we can see, and then a further upside. But as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. So if the price started falling below a level of 23.29, then a probability of moving towards a level of next support at a level of 23.05 we can see, and from there a further downfall towards a level of 22.79. If the price started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 22.68, and from there a further downfall towards 22.65, and then to a level of $22.47. If the price started going below that particular zone, chances of towards a level of 20.35 will be there, and from there a level of $22.28. And if that level move further down, then we can see it will touch a level of $22, and then from there a further downfall we can see. Remember, as soon as the price started going towards a level of $22, then a probability of moving further low we can